This is a simple demonstration of how to apply the sealant for the cloth surrounds for these KLH woofers for a Model 5. KLH Model 5 woofers. They have the cloth surrounds that need to be sealed because the cabinet, the KLH cabinet, is a sealed cabinet. Therefore, if air passes through the cloth surrounds, the woofers are just not going to sound as good as they should be. So by using the surround sealant, this will help in sealing the air inside the cabinet. I went to get this. It's on eBay, and you can get it from Vintage AR. Vintage AR. I believe it's around 15 bucks to have it shipped to you, but according to Vintage AR and a lot of other forums, they say that this formula is the closest, if not the actual thing, than when KLH applied on their woofers. So this is what I'm going to use. The instructions say to stir well and to apply very thin coats. So you apply one thin coat, you let it dry for maybe 1 or 2 days, and you check it out. If you see maybe some air still passing through, put another light coat. Now before the sealant is applied, you use the brush that comes with it and you dust and take away any particles and make it as clean as possible. I already did that. I'm just demonstrating how. Alright. Now I'm going to apply the sealant. And according to the instructions, it doesn't have to be applied thick, just very thin layers. Now, some have said to cover the dust cap also. I think that's a good idea. So, I'm going to do the dust cap too. So, that's just a quick demonstration, and as you see, I have 2 woofers to do, and I'll be going to do that. Okay, so that's the demonstration. I will demonstrate other videos about the restoration of the KLH Model 5 speaker.